Hello and welcome to the last video on multiplying keyword lists to get new keyword ideas. And this is a great feature to allow you to expand ideas. So if you click on this, you will see that there's a list 1, list 2, and you can also add another list 3 by clicking this X right here. And you have similar targeting. Now, what this basically does is it basically multiplies. So let's say, for example, that you had the words red, blue, and black. And then over here, you had the words shoe and dress. What this will do is it'll come along and do something like red shoe, blue shoe, black shoe. And the red dress, blue dress, and the black dress. Now, if you add a third list into the mix, then obviously you will get a lot more ideas. And that's the beauty of that if you're stuck or you're thinking about a different angle, like, okay, I'm going to put adjectives here, I'm going to put verbs here, or brand names here, or nouns here. You could do it that way as well. Or you could simply take in the keyword lists that we had created previously in the other videos, and you can simply add words onto it. So for example, we could have something like, instead of dog training or training classes, we just do something like this. And then we perhaps go like puppies, senior, adult, and senior dogs. And what this will do is it'll mix it all in different angles. And you can put different age groups and different levels of stages. So you really could get all creative with this. And the whole idea is to really think out of the box and try to imagine what these would create. Now, obviously, when you're done, all you need to do is simply click on Get Estimates or Get Search Volume. So remember, when you get estimates, it basically is estimating how many clicks per day, how much it's going to cost you, and things like that. In terms of search volume, that would actually get us the hard data in relation to each keyword that is generated. So if I click on keyword ideas, you can see here that it has multiplied the keyword list. So we have puppy potty training, obedience training puppy, potty training adult, potty training senior, and so forth and so forth and so forth. And it gives you the data of the keywords right now. So obviously these are 3 keywords that out of all the mix that you created that are currently being searched and have data right now. So it works very similar to whatever route you choose to go to, whether it's search volume or traffic estimates. But in the end, what this really does, and the main feature of this, is multiplying the lists. And we can actually tweak this further if we want to do so. So let's say I wanted something like puppy potty training instead of potty training puppy. We could simply move this over to here. And keep in mind that if whatever you put in list 1 is going to be first. Whatever you put in list 2 is going to be second and third and so forth. So click Get Search Volume again and see if we have different results. So by doing this, as you can see, we have different keyword ideas: puppy potty training classes, puppy training tips, adult potty training, and so forth. We actually have more data. So we can play around with this a little more. So that's how this specific feature works. And the whole idea is to get creative, think out of box, and really think from a customer standpoint, what are they going to type? And from that point, you will have the data to see how many searches are actually happening, or if how many searches are really not happening.